Hey guys, welcome back to Recycle Day with Kathy's World. You know, I bought this stack of envelopes. I bought several stacks of envelopes from the lovely Malia over to Chadwick Rose. And I got a huge surprise today. So I just want to thank the lovely Malia, and her Etsy shop is the Chadwick Rose. I was working on my Dark Shadows journal, and I just picked these up and was looking through them. Well, cute. And I says, what can I use these in this journal for? And I noticed, well, the paper's kind of crinkly and loose. Want to know what I made from it? Thank you, Malia. I recycled her envelope into a pocket for my Dark Shadows journal. But wait, there's more. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 places to put stuff in when you open it up, because she didn't glue, she only glued down the sides, which is freaking awesome. And then she sews down them too, so you already have your sewn pocket, but you just open it up, stick your little thingamajigger, the journal card. I'm going to put in this one because it sticks higher. And then I go to the second one. I'm going to put a coffee dye grungy toe tag in it. And then I'm going to the next one, and I'm going to put one of my bats tags in it and go it this way. And then the very center, the very cover. Oh, come on, you opened for me before, do it again. Or did I stick this one in wrong? Anyway, in the very cover, you can stick a smaller tag. So, there's 4 places. So, run to her Etsy shop if you want some different colors and different varieties of things that you can recycle and reuse to make into something else. But wait, there's more. The flap right here, when you cut that off, wouldn't that make a cute little pocket in a floral journal? Because it kind of looks like a flower pot. So, Malia, I'm going to be reusing the heck out of these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is my recycle journal for the day, and I am going to come around here and trim out this picture and something else, and I know I'm going to do some stamping on it, but, you know, what a great way to reuse something you buy from somebody else and incorporate it into the project you're working on. It's great. It's fantastic, and I love these. Malia, don't sell out. Maybe you might want to make some more, because, yeah, I think I'm going to be buying some more. Alright guys, see you soon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, don't buy new, recycle what you have, and use up what you have in your stash. I know it's hard. It is killing me, but I'm doing it. Alright, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.